I've had a few root canals. My mouth was tight, so they pulled some of my teeth at a very young age in the back. So I was missing teeth to start with. Other than that, like all my front teeth perfectly intact and no cavities. With the broken teeth in the back, it made it troublesome to eat meats and things like that, things that you got to use your back teeth to grind down your food. You're a little more cautious about your smile, your confidence, probably somewhat your health. Like to kiss someone, you worry about what your breath is like and your teeth are like because it's intimate. I changed positions at work. I am the boss, I'm in control. I had to do a lot of networking and I was not as open and smiley as I am now. The first time I came here, everybody was super welcoming. The office was new, super clean. I was greeted with a smile. I was treated like they already knew me and they didn't know me. I came in explicitly asking for dentures or all on 4.
Laura came to Naples Dental Wellness Center with several missing back teeth caused by failed root canals and clenching and grinding. She was also unhappy with her smile and believed her only option were dentures or a full arch implant solution. After a comprehensive evaluation, we showed Laura that many of her natural teeth could be saved. Using ceramic jackets, we were able to restore her smile, correct her bite, create more balanced and natural appearance. Laura was amazed that she did not need dentures or extensive implant treatment.
It is just totally different for me and everyone else that saw me. Lots of people have complimented, lots. Finally, I feel more confident, more happier to smile, happier to show people who I really am on the inside. Everyone dreads the dentist. I don't really dread coming here. In the beginning, yeah, I was super nervous, no lie. But in the end, everything turned out perfect and I felt super comfortable with everyone in the staff, not just the dentist. Before treatment, I was less smiley, still my friendly, normal self, but a little more closed off when it came to this. You didn't see that much. You would see closed mouth smile. So for me, it gave me that confidence to show my real smile.